when you are in surgery and you're actually ready to perhaps implant various devices. So for example, let's take an example where the procedure is the left knee that we're replacing as part of an orthopedic surgery. All the boxes for left and right knees from the same supplier look exactly the same. So if you select a right knee as a product without having a scan for safety in place, you would automatically open that product, pass it over to the scrub nurse. She would double check the details and then they would implant it. But by scanning the product, you can then set rules within the system, which we do, which then says, wait a minute, in real time it flags a warning message that says this product is a right knee and is incompatible with the procedure that you're carrying out, which is a left knee. And it provides an extra red flag so that we can stop the line, we can double check things without having a never event or a serious consequence of patient harm, which is what we seek to avoid at all costs. So for us, this just gives another layer of risk mitigation.